Hey everybody, well, I'm waiting for my coffee to finish up. I'm going to start this video to show you guys what I'm doing this weekend. It's the weekend of the 26th of February, and I'm going to start my greenhouse. Get that going. I bought a kit just to help me frame it, and my wrap came in of my 12 mil clear with UV protection, and it's reinforced. And I'll share a link of where I got that, but you know, it's for the same price. Pretty much, a little bit more, but pretty much for the same price, I have something that's going to last years instead of every year. So always upgrade your stuff when you can, put your money where you can. But I'm going to start my greenhouse and get to it. And if it goes well, I might start my chicken coop. Alright, tell me what you guys think. Like and subscribe. Please let me know if you guys like what I'm doing and where I'm going. Well, I'm all set up. I'm just going to cut my pieces. It's going to be 6.5 feet high. The instructions that I got with that thing really don't make sense at all. But I know how high I want my walls, and then I can figure out the pitch, but it should be a no angles cut kind of setup. So it's not that hard. If you can think a little bit, you can do it. Alright, I don't really think you want to see me cutting all my pieces, but I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so I burnt the weeds and I scraped the land. I don't like to use chemicals like weed killer or anything like that. Not saying I don't use them, I don't like to use them. If I can get away with not having to use it, I will. But yeah, I'm going with the dirt floor, so it's that much cheaper. Also, I can plant in the ground instead of just having all containers. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. Alrighty, well, I got my area prepped and ready to go. I'm just gonna start laying the beams down, making the base for it, to start taking pictures, and you can see the progress as I go. But yeah, that's basically it. I kind of mixed two of the plans together to create an 8x8. So let's see how that works out for me. Alrighty, part one is done. That's pretty much why the sun's going down. I am not the best framer by any means. I do what I can with what I think would work. I didn't totally go off the shed design because it's not really a shed. It's a greenhouse. So I made my own because of the fabric that I got and what I'm doing. But we'll finish it up tomorrow in part two. Hope you guys like it.